Tonight, the legal battle between former President Donald Trump and the federal prosecutors investigating January 6 is nearing a crucial showdown in court, just as the Republican presidential race is heating up and his own former vice president is speaking out. Trump's legal team has now been ordered to respond as soon as possible to the Justice Department, which is seeking to restrain comments about the case made by Trump, who has been raging against special counsel Jack Smith, both on the campaign trail and on social media. This weekend, Trump's lawyers sought a delay, but Judge Tanya Chutkin denied that request and gave Trump a Monday deadline to respond. Trump pleaded not guilty this past week to criminal charges related to his alleged role in trying to overturn the 2020 election. CBS's Willie James Inman is in Washington tracking the latest developments. Willie, good evening.
Good evening, Robert. Ahead of Monday's standoff over what former President Donald Trump can and can't say about this case, Trump's lawyer, John Lauro, argued that the former president said nothing wrong.
We call it a sham indictment, and the man that's doing it, I really believe he's mentally ill.
Ahead of what could be a contentious courtroom battle, former President Trump slammed the indictment brought by special counsel Jack Smith. His legal team is planning to ask for a motion to dismiss the charges in the January 6th case.
This is what's called a Swiss cheese indictment. It has so many holes that we're going to be identifying and litigating a number of motions that we're going to file on First Amendment grounds.
Former Attorney General William Barr suggested that could be an uphill battle.
Well, it's certainly a challenging case, but I don't think it runs afoul of the First Amendment.
A new CBS News YouGov poll found just over half of Americans believe Trump tried to stay in office illegally. Most Americans also believe the indictments against Trump are upholding the rule of law and defending democracy. At the same time, a majority of those polled believe the investigations are aimed at stopping Trump's 2024 campaign. And that number was even higher among Republicans. Trump's grip on the Republican Party remains strong as he and his rivals campaign ahead of the first GOP debate, which Trump might skip later this month. Few of Trump's rivals have been critical of him, but former New Jersey Governor Chris Christie came out swinging this weekend on CBS Sunday Morning.
He's a completely self-centered, self-possessed, self-consumed, angry old man, and he doesn't care about anybody else other than him.
Trump is also pushing for a venue change in this case, possibly West Virginia, but experts tell CBS News that is unlikely to happen. Robert.
Thank you, Willie James Inman.